know what? The boss had spring you from that joint for a purpose. His daughter's been kidnapped. He thinks you're the man for the job. The kidnapper's calling a phone in the southeast corner of the city. Answer it before he gets up.
Okay, here's the deal. You collect 250 grand from your boss and leave it at the drop-off point in the docks. I collect it, then I'll tell you where the girl is. Understood? Now, take it to the docks. Now wait for the pickup. She's in a blue Ford, down an alley in the center of the city.
Okay, now, take her to the boss warehouse in the southwest of the city. Here's the cash. Don't spend it all at once. Go back to the phones if you want more missions. So, you fancy yourself as a bit of hotshot, do you? We've entered you in a race to see what you're really made of. The track's in the west of the city. Okay, here we go. Go! That's 2 laps to go. One lap to go. Make the most of it. Yes, you came first. Nice one. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. They are testing an experimental rocket car in the south of the city. The boss wants to add it to his personal collection. Go, Nick. Got an alarm! It'll blow if you don't get it to us within 50 seconds. Here's your problem. Good water on the building. Maybe you can visit Germany. Our girls will show you a good time in Berlin. Go back to the phones if you want more missions. We got word that our rivals have just dropped the bank down south. Put up a roadblock and hijack their van. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. Right things, the cops have got him under surveillance. Go, check it out.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Ha! They've seen you. Go get him if you want your money. Nice one. Here's your cash. Go to the payphones for more missions.
This is my car now. Nice car. I'll take it.
Now this is gonna be fun. Try splash some grenades on the roof of the building downtown. Use them to do as much damage as you can. Oh, and this one reset is not in 10 seconds. Okay, now lob them off the building and leave the cars below.
Try to get 15,000 points or more in the next 60 seconds.
Ha! Well done! Here's your money. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. The boss has decided to wipe out our main rival. He's loaded a huge truck with explosives to make sure they stay dead. Ah, great. Now, take it to the garage. Oh, and the boss has fitted a timer to the explosives to make sure you don't use it to do your package shopping first. Hey, don't turn chicken on me now. Get back in the truck. Oh, you bastard. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. Okay, the boss has got another mission for you, but he thinks you need a partner this time. Go pick up Sam from the southeast of the city. He's my brother visiting from Germany, so you better go look after him. He's also not the best shot in the world, so be careful of friendly fire. Okay, here's the job. The boss has bribed the mayor to clamp down on the rival gangs in the city. Needless to say, the other gangs aren't happy about this. And we've got word they're going to try to shoot up his limo with him inside. Go and protect him.
I need your car.
Yes! That's one less scumbag to deal with. Hey! You were supposed to protect him!